What's up, my peeps? We are going to be checking out a new truck today. The Traxxas Stampede 4x4 brushless BL2S system. Absolute mouthful. Alright, let's talk about this thing from the top up. Let's start with the body. I think the body looks great. It's got style. I love blue. Blue's my favorite color. That is great. The graphics look pretty nice. And best thing about this body is it's clipless. So you could literally take the body off with one hand, just like that. Super simple. Now, obviously, I ran a couple battery packs through this just to test out first. That's why I got these scuffs on here. But it's got like this skid plate on the back and two skid plates on the top. So one thing you will notice at this body style, this new Stampede, the BL2S system, has the exact same body as the Traxxas Hoss. And you'll see some more similarities between the Hoss and the Stampede as we go on. Tires, these are Sledgehammer tires, 5.3 inch. Man, the grip on these are absolutely fantastic. I definitely prefer these over the Traxxas Talon tires that they used to have. These things get so much grip in grass and loose dirt and stuff, and on concrete. Absolutely amazing. I'm also digging the black style look. Those look really good. This thing has double wishbone suspension, front and rear. Nice and supple, feels good. And it's got multiple suspension mounting holes there on the front and the back. Feels really nice. Now, I've had bad luck with these Traxxas shocks before, them bending and breaking and whatnot, so we'll see how long that lasts. We also have the HD part upgrade on this one, so we have the HD towers, HD knuckles in here, and we also have the HD drive shafts, which... Now, I've broken a lot of plastic drive shafts from Traxxas, so we'll see how long those things last. So far, so good. I have not had a problem. Now, I did put some preloaders in here from stock. I put some thicker ones on the front and a little bit thicker on the back to give it a nice, better stance, because the suspension was just a little bit too soft before. It was a lot of chassis slapping, but that is the only adjustment I have made on this. Now, it has all your basics. Receiver up front, steering servo, speed controller, and the BL2S motor 3300. This thing is pretty torquey. It puts out a bit of power. Now, this is the replacement to their brush systems that they have. They are not going to be doing brushed anymore, so this is the replacement brushless system for that. Now, I got this on a deal. It came with a 2-cell LiPo battery, 3000 milliamp, and it also came with this tiny little block charger that they have. So that was actually a pretty good value that came with it. Now, the battery compartment, I did put a piece of foam in the bottom here, because if you don't have that piece of foam, you just have this in here, you lock it into place, it tends to slide back and forth. So if you got like a foam block to put in there to hold it, which I do not, that's why I put that foam piece in there to hold it still. But you can also fit a 7600 milliamp in here. Perfect, just like that. So I am going to go ahead and power it up. Let's check that steering. A little bit slow, a little bit weak. That could probably use a little bit of work. Not too bad though. All right, let's give it a little throttle check here. Oh yeah, perfect. And then it's all plugged up, good to go. Whoopsies. And there you have it, the Stampede 4x4 brushless BL2S. My thoughts on it: this is a very durable truck. It is very good for beginners and even someone who's been in the hobby for a while. This is a great truck. I have not broken a single thing on it yet, and it just keeps taking the bashing. It's absolutely... I like it. I like this thing. Eventually, I'm going to upgrade it to a Valenion system. I'm thinking about upping the pinion gear teeth just to give it a little bit more top speed, because it only does about 25 miles per hour. A little bit lacking on top speed, but other than that, I absolutely love this truck. Don't forget to smash that like button. It would highly help me out. Subscribe! Make sure your bell is checked. And stay tuned.